Hey everybody, welcome back. And if you guys ever wonder what it looks like inside of an Xbox One controller, probably looked it up online and everything, but also we're going to try to solve this Xbox One controller's drift stick problem as well. I mean, we already opened it up before and tried extremely hard to fix it, but the problem seemed to be getting worse. So we're going to pop this open and you guys can see what's inside and all that. And yeah, alright, here we go. Alright guys, here's our little Xbox One controller. And doesn't wanna work anymore. It works. It's just the drift stick problem is the problem. It's extremely bad drift stick. All right, so went online, purchased a special little screwdriver toolkit for it, and I already used it before on this as well. There's special star heads just designed for it. Yep, they fit perfectly too. Yeah, I don't know, unless you got a special screwdriver like this, you're not gonna get anywhere. So you gotta take out the warranty one. Now, be warned now, if you take the warranty one out, it's over. You might not be able to get it replaced if you purchase a warranty for it or something like that. So this screwdriver's already, or this Xbox controller is already technically broke anyway, so I don't really care what happens to it. I'm sure it like breaks every time I open it. That's fine. Make sure I get this in the camera. I'm sure you guys can see this. You see I'm not being careful. Your controller, of course, you'd be extremely careful with it. And this tool, you get, there's an edge on there, but the edge broke off because we used it so many times. You just gently open it up and it won't break at all and you'll be perfectly fine. But this one I don't care anymore because this drift stick problem I literally cannot fix unless I buy and solder something. So it's more worth it getting an updated controller, so I purchased an updated controller. Also, it's awesome to have a magnetic end on there too. Pretty interesting, I would say. That's our problem one right here. And what is going on in here anyway? So it looks like the thing fell off again. I think. It's this little thing, probably right about, where's the camera lens? It's there. Hold on, wait for it to focus. It's this thing right there. It's already broke because we've taken off probably about 1,000,000 times. So that comes off as well. I know most of you guys like the, electrical induced or the, the battery powered version of these controllers. But if you buy like a wired one, they're so much faster and so much more easy to deal with. I don't know why I didn't stay with wired controllers, but so this is breaking. Oh, top of it broke off. Ew, it's glued in there. I glued it in there. Of course I did. Why would I? Therefore, technically I can just get, I know how to solder. I would just buy a whole new thing and solder this on there. So I take this off. You see the solder points? It's a lot of little solder points, but it's possible. I think. Alright, I'm gonna move out of the way of the camera for a second and try to get this off. Alright, so I broke it out of there, and I didn't mean to break it out of there, but it actually broke out of there. I'm not happy about that, but there's really nothing I can do about it. There really isn't anything I can do about it. It's gonna feel weird, but to maybe get this controller as like a throw around controller or not care about controller, I'll do anything. And but yeah, so I'm gonna get this all back together and I'll see what I can see how it works. Maybe I'll bring an Xbox out or a computer out, whatever. Alright, so I'm trying to simulate. I put the one dead zone on a lot, but it tends to go up by itself. Let me Alright, so as you can see, here, watch. That's why I look around. Watch, it'll do it. Of course it doesn't. Oh, there it goes. See? That's what it does, you know? But, yeah, it does that a lot. That's the only bad thing about it. But I put the dead zone thing on, and it's not too bad, but this controller is pretty much toast. But for a backup controller, just in case if I need one, I have to hold on to it, but yeah. But when I put the dead zone on, it's different, especially, but for certain games, you can't. So, but like, you see how bad it is now. Watch. Let me... I'll put dead zone on all the way. It's kind of, it feels weird when it's on all the way. You kind of have to get used to it. You see? It's almost like it's not there. Oh, well, it did there. Yeah, it sometimes does it, but it doesn't do it all the time, though. Yeah, there it goes. It does it. It still does it sometimes. There's nothing I can really do about it, but yeah, that's what joystick does. But that's what the inside of an Xbox One controller looks like, so there y'all go. But, alright guys, I want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and go follow me on my Instagram. It'll be down there below somewhere. And we'll see you guys in the next one.